G'day and welcome. I just purchased this battery box from Hardkor. It's a heavy duty one. Comes in black and white, or white and black. So has lots of different features. I've just opened it and let's see what you get. So looking at it, you got a registration form for warranty. G'day card. Have a look at that stuff later. Instruction book, how it's all set up, what you can do, I guess, and how it works. Very good. That aside. Okay, so I bought this mainly because of this construction. I thought it would be, according to the videos I have seen, a lot stronger than other ones, but I think I like it. And there's other ones out there that are probably good as well, if not better, but this is cool. This is the barbecue table. So alright, so you get strapping with it, terminal cables, and that's about it. So that's what it looks like. Okay, battery safety, on, off, your reader. Oh yeah, 12 volt, sorry. 12 volt connectors. Even tells you here. They're all 50 amp anyway. Input outputs, your jumper start. Let's have a look at the back. It gives you a breakdown in case you don't remember just what it is for. Does lithium, AGM, calcium, wet, gel, and the sizes of the battery, very important, because not every battery size will fit this. That's what you need to look out for when you buy a battery box, is your battery size. You don't want to be buying a battery and then decide to buy a battery box and it don't fit, or the other way around. Buy a battery box and then buy a battery and it doesn't fit. Alright, so there's your strap for your battery. So it is sturdy construction up the top, pretty sturdy down there, so that's pretty good, pretty sturdy, pretty good connectors. Alright, that's awesome, so I'm pretty happy with that. At the moment I've got a 200 watt solar panel charging the battery just to run it and test out the charging side of things. I bought a 12 volt 120 amp hour battery, AGM, charging quite good at the moment. I'll do a video on that sometime later. This is what I wanted to do. Thanks for watching, bye.